Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share your favorite Instagram highlight link with friends using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new update, making it easier than ever to send your highlight link directly from your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You'll see the familiar interface, just like on your phone, but with a few tweaks designed for desktop users. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look just beneath your bio. Here, you'll find all your highlights lined up. These are the stories you've chosen to keep on your profile for everyone to see. Find the highlight you want to share and click on it to open it. At the top of the highlight page, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu. From the options that appear, select Copy URL. This action copies the direct link to your highlight, making it ready to share anywhere you want. Now, head over to Messenger by clicking on the Messenger icon in the left side menu. This opens up all your chats. Choose the conversation where you want to send your highlight link. Click into the chat box, right-click, and paste the link you just copied. Hit send, and your highlight link will appear in the chat, ready for your friend to view. That's it. You've just shared your Instagram highlight link using the PC app's latest update. Whether you're sharing a travel story, a special event, or just a fun moment, this method makes it quick and simple to connect with others right from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram on PC. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.